Weber Automotive not only does auto repairs, they do auto service. Now, Brian, what's the difference? What's repair versus service? We just did a video on repairs, but what's service?
So you might think it's the same thing, and sometimes there is quite a bit of crossover, but repair is fixing something that's broken.
Okay.
And service is more like an oil service, oil change, typically referred to it as, or fluid changes, even a brake service, tire replacement. It's more of service than it is a repair.
Okay.
Repair is kind of something's broken, it's not working the way it's supposed to, and that's a repair. But service is something, it's good because you can schedule it, the car's still working, get you on the books, drive it in, get it serviced, and drive it home. Repair is something that upends your life, and when can I get my car back? Because it doesn't work
anymore. So obviously service kind of helps you avoid the repair, hopefully.
Yes, exactly.
Or delays it a darn well.
Exactly.
And I imagine it must keep the car safer to drive and more confidence in the car.
Absolutely, yeah. An ounce per inch is worth a pound of cure. And our thing is we want to keep your vehicle safe and reliable for as long as possible. Protect the investment. Cars are expensive. And again, ounce per inch is worth a pound of cure. Do the maintenance, keep it safe and reliable, have it last a long time.
Well, great. Well, there you have it. That's service. You need service, you need repair, you get them both at Weber Automotive. Thanks a lot for watching. Be sure to check out the website, and you'll see a lot more great videos just like this one.
Thanks, Randy.